Need a travel pillow that won't collapse or cause neck pain? I analyzed 5 travel pillows that actually provide consistent neck support throughout long flights and road trips. What I discovered about foam density and support design will prevent you from waking up with neck pain. Here we go. Starting off at number 5, this one tackles a problem most travel pillows actually create. We have the BCOZZY travel neck pillow with patented double support. Here's the issue with typical U-shaped pillows. They're bulky in the back, which pushes your head forward and ends up causing the neck pain they're supposed to prevent. The BCOZZY uses a flat back design that keeps your head in a natural position instead of forcing it forward. What makes this different is the overlapping pillow arm. You can position them under your chin for double support when you're leaning forward, which is where most people's heads end up on long flights. That means you're not waking up with your chin on your chest and a stiff neck. Now, here's where it gets interesting. This works in 3 different positions. If you're a side sleeper, you fold it in half, place it on your shoulder, and lean into it. If your head drops forward and to the side, you slide those overlapping arms 90 degrees and get support in both directions. So it adapts to how you actually sleep, not how pillow designers think you should sleep. The shell is made from microfleece on one side and microsuede on the other, filled with a down alternative that bounces back to shape. And unlike memory foam options, you can toss this in the washing machine and let it air dry. It comes with a carry case and weighs very little. Plus, there's a snap loop to clip it to your luggage. Keep in mind, it's a softer pillow, so if you need firm support, this might not be your pick. This makes sense when you want versatility and easy maintenance over maximum firmness. Link is in the description. Next up at number 4, this one's all about customization. We have the MLVOC Memory Foam Neck Pillow Kit. What makes this different is the adjustable rope lock system. You can tighten or loosen the pillow around your neck to match your exact size and change the angle of support. That means you're not stuck with a one-size-fits-all design that might be too loose or too tight depending on your build. The memory foam itself uses what they call 5-second return technology. Press it down, and it bounces back to shape in 5 seconds, which keeps it from collapsing under your head during long flights. The curved shape is designed to prevent your head from dropping forward, so you're not waking up with that chin-on-chest feeling. Here's where it gets practical. The cover is made from a sweat-resistant fabric with magnetic therapy cloth, and it's machine washable. If you've ever dealt with a pillow that gets damp and uncomfortable halfway through a flight, this addresses that directly. You just remove the cover, toss it in the wash, and you're back to a fresh pillow for the next trip. Now, about portability. It comes with a travel bag that compresses the pillow down to half its original size. At just over half a pound, you can attach it to your carry-on with the snap strap without adding noticeable weight or bulk. Keep in mind, this is memory foam, so there may be a slight break-in period and some initial off-gassing smell that fades after airing it out. This makes sense when you want adjustable support and easy maintenance in a packable design. Link is in the description. At number 3, this one adds something you don't usually see in a neck pillow. We have the Travel Pillow Memory Foam Extra Large Hood. Picture yourself on a red-eye flight with the cabin lights still on and people moving around. This has a thick, oversized hood that creates your own private space by blocking out light and unwanted attention. That hood element changes how you rest in public spaces like planes or trains when you just need to disconnect. The cover itself is removable and machine washable, which keeps things fresh between trips. What's different here is the magnetic stone fabric lining. The idea is that it may help reduce fatigue and provide a bit of gentle warmth while you're resting. Whether you notice that effect or not, the removable cover is a practical feature on its own. Now, about fit. There's an adjustable drawstring and an anti-slip zipper that let you dial in the exact fit around your neck, so you're not dealing with a loose pillow that shifts around or one that's uncomfortably tight. You set it once and it stays in place. The foam is high-density memory foam. At 100%, it molds to your neck curve and provides stable support without collapsing. For portability, it rolls up into a carrying pouch and stays compact in your luggage. One thing to note, because of how it's packed, the pillow may look flat when you first pull it out. Just give it some time to sit, and it'll bounce back to its full shape. This makes sense when you want privacy and light blocking, combined with adjustable support. Link is in the description. These products are great, but there are hundreds of deals every day, and most of them are trash. That's why I pick the 5 best from each category every day and post them for free on Telegram. And you can choose only the categories that interest you, with zero spam. Link in the description. Next up at number 2, this one focuses on the most common complaint about sleeping upright. We have the napfun Memory Foam Travel Pillow. If you've ever woken up with your chin stuck to your chest and your neck screaming at you, that's the problem this addresses head-on. The design wraps around your neck in a way that specifically supports your chin and prevents your head from dropping forward during sleep. That chin support element is what separates this from standard U-shaped design that leave your head free to fall in whatever direction gravity takes it. The memory foam here is engineered to use your own body heat to contour and adapt. So instead of fighting against a fixed shape, the pillow molds to your specific neck curve as you settle in. That means personalized support that adjusts throughout your trip, rather than staying rigid. Now, about portability. This comes with a compression bag that lets you pack it down to a smaller size without permanently flattening the foam. Once you pull it out, it bounces back to full shape, so you're not choosing between comfort and luggage space. The build quality uses high-grade memory foam, which holds its structure better than cheaper foams that collapse after a few uses. You can use this across multiple trips without losing that contouring support. Keep in mind, this is memory foam, so there may be a slight break-in period and some initial smell that needs to air out before your first flight. This makes sense when you need reliable chin support and packable memory foam at a straightforward price point. Link is in the description. Before we reveal our number one, be sure to check out the description below for the freshest deals on each of these items. And finally, number one. This is where versatility meets premium engineering. We have the Tempur-Pedic Peanut Memory Foam Pillow. Here's what makes this different from everything we've covered. Instead of a fixed U-shape that locks you into one position, the peanut shape gives you options. Use it as a neck roll on flights, flip it sideways as a lumbar cushion when you're stuck in an economy seat for hours, or place it between your knees as a leg spacer if you're trying to sleep on your side in a cramped space. That means one compact pillow replaces 3 separate support products in your carry-on. Now, about the material. This uses the same Tempur foam that's in their full mattresses. That's engineered memory foam that molds to your exact pressure points and holds its shape trip after trip, so you're not dealing with cheap foam that flattens out after a few uses and stops providing support. What's even better is the durability. This is designed to retain its shape for years, not months. The foam won't collapse or develop permanent dents the way budget memory foam does. You're investing in something that keeps working consistently across dozens of trips. For portability, the compact size and lightweight build make it easy to clip to your bag or tuck into a side pocket without eating up space. And when it needs cleaning, just remove the cover and toss it in the washing machine. Keep in mind, this is premium grade Tempur-Pedic, so it's priced above basic options, but you're getting genuine Tempur material and multi-use versatility in one compact package. This makes sense when you want a single, high-quality solution that adapts to different support needs instead of carrying multiple pillows. Link is in the description. Now you know which pillows prevent neck pain without collapsing on long flights. For versatile positions on a budget, go with number 5. For red-eye privacy and light blocking, check number 3. For premium multi-use support. Number 1. Travel gear prices spike before peak season, so check the links in the description now.